Something tells me I'm not on the coast anymore. But it could just be the temperature of about 90 degrees in April, beginning of April. Ooh. Hello everybody, Bekka here. Today I took a little road trip and ended up at Corpus Christi Lake State Park in Texas. I am in a different location. It is more of a dry area and a little warm today. For me, this is already feeling like end of July, beginning of August weather, but we're only in the beginning of April and we're almost to the 90s here at Corpus Christi Lake State Park, which I am not as familiar with beneficial plants, but we're going to see what we can find today. I recognize you, buddy. You're looking a little pilly-wally though. This is Yopon. Here's the prickly pear cactus. You see its flower? After its flower right there, it'll put on the fruit and you can make a jelly out of the fruit of prickly pear cactus. This plant is so beautiful this time of year. That is mesquite. Don't let its beauty fool you though. It has thorns. It smells so sweet right here. So here's the acacia plant. It's also called the black bush. It's putting on its little puffs right now. And it looks really similar to a mesquite. And then I found Something hiding right back there. That's a yucca. Unfortunately, my phone overheated in the park, so I'm on my way home, but I found a few plants that I was able to identify at the park. I found them on the side of the road, so here we are, crazy me, on the side of the road in the middle of Texas somewhere to film a few plants for you. This right here is bee balm or horse mint. We have some pink primrose right there, pink flowers. And then where is that other flower that I saw? There it is. And here is a thistle.